ito na yung tanong. Okay ka na. All these answers starts with letter B. A piece of furniture for sleep or rest, typically a framework with mattress and coverings.
Bed.
Okay, tama. Next na. Sino na? Dali. Na! Be, nagpas ka na, Be! Hazel, ito yung tanong. Okay na, kuya. Ito na yung tanong. Hazel, ito yung tanong. This answer starts with letter I. A piece of land surrounded by water with no connection to a larger landmass such as continent or peninsula.
Island.
Yes! Isa ba sila sagot ulit?
Okay na yan.
Ang dami ito ulit. Sila sagot ulit.
Dito na pero. Go na, be. This answer starts with letter I. It's a frozen dessert made by mixing together cream and various flavorings, most commonly chocolate and vanilla, and freezing it.
Ice cream.